With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here the question is, write the sum of lone pairs of electron on the central atom of all the given molecules. Okay, SF4, CF4, XeF4, XeF2 and ClF3. Okay, so we will find out one by one. So first what we can do is we can find out their hybridization. From the hybridization we can draw the shape or structure. From that we can know that whether it has the lone pair or not. Okay, so there is one trick to find the hybridization. Okay, and that is is equal to 1 by 2, and here we have the valence electron of the central atom. Ma means the monovalent atoms which are surrounding the central atom. Okay, minus C charge on cation plus charge on anion. Okay, it is our valence electrons, monovalent atoms, charge on cation, charge on anion. Okay, so first we have is SF4 molecule. Okay, so in the SF4, we know that the sulfur has how many valence electrons? It has 6 valence electrons, right? How many monovalent atoms are surrounding 4? There is no charge on cation and anion. So here what we will have? 5. Here we have is 5. Okay, so when the X value is 5, then our hybridization is sp3d. Okay, our hybridization is sp3d, and that is our trigonal bipyramidal. That is trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, so here if we draw the structure for SF4, so it is like this: F, and here we have F, and here we have one lone pair. And we can also represent the structure in another way, and that is here we have S, F, here we have F, here we have F, here we have F, and here at this point we have the lone pair. Okay, so when we will combine, this will be like this. Okay, so this is also for our SF4. Okay, so here we can say that in the SF4 we have the four bond pairs and one lone pair, and one lone pair. Okay, it means that in the SF4 we have one lone pair. Okay, now let's find for CF4. CF4. Okay, when we will find for the CF4, we know that our carbon is tetravalent. Okay, so here it will be 1 by 2, right? Plus here we have 4 plus 4, here we will have 4. Okay, here our hybridization is sp3. Okay, so here we will have the zero lone pair. Here we will have the zero lone pair. F F and F, because our carbon is tetravalent and is being shared with the fluorine, so here we have the tetrahedral. Okay, so it means that here we have zero lone pair. Okay, it means that for CF4 we have 0. Okay, now we need to find for the XeF4 and XeF2, right? XeF4 and XeF2. So third is our XeF4. Okay, so when we will find for XeF4, we know that in the xenon we have 8 valence electron. This it is our noble gas. 8 plus 4. Okay, 8 plus 4. So here we will have 6. Here we will have 6. So for when we have the 6 value of the X, then we have sp3d2. Then we have is sp3d2. And when we have the sp3d2, then we have the configuration that is octahedral. Sorry, geometry is octahedral. Okay, or we can say the square planar. Or we can say the square planar. Here we will have the square planar geometry for sp3d2. Okay, so here we can also use that. Here we have 4 XF bonds. Here we have the 4 XF bonds, and here we will have total is 6. If we have 4 XF bonds, then the lone pairs will be 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay, we have 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 lone pairs. If we see the structure, so structure will be like this. F, here we have F, okay, here we have F, and here we have F, here this. Okay, this is the structure for the XeF4. Okay, it means in XeF4 we have how many lone pairs? Two lone pairs. Okay, now if we do for XeF2, if we do for the XeF2, then in case of XeF2, what we will have? 1 by 2, 8 plus 2. Here we will have 5. Here we will have sp3d. Okay, so when we will have here the geometries, so it will be like this: XeF, here we have F, and here we have is this and this. Okay, this is for XeF2. So here we have the two XeF bonds, right? Here we have the two XeF bonds. Here also we have the XeF bond, sorry. Okay, here we have two XeF bonds, total is 5. So 5 minus 2 is equal to how many lone pairs? 3 lone pairs. Okay, so it means that here in this we have the 3 lone pairs. Here we have the 3 lone pairs. Okay, now if we talk about the ClF3, if we talk about the ClF3, so in case of ClF3, what we will have? ClF3, ClF3. Okay, so now we know that the chlorine has the 7 valence electrons, 7 plus 3. Here we have 10, sorry, 5, 10 plus 10 by 2, 5. Okay, so what it will be? For the X value 5, we have is sp3d, sp3d. Okay, so when here we will draw the shape, so it will be like this: Cl, here we have is F, here we have F, here we have F, and here we have is two lone pairs. Here we have the two lone pairs because here we have three ClF bonds. Okay, then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so here we have the two lone pairs. Two lone pairs. Okay, so now here we have 2, but we have been asked the sum of lone pairs. So here it will be 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So that is equal to 8. So here our answer is equal to the 8. Okay. So here it means our answer is 8. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.